Come test drive the 2024 Forte. If you're looking for a trendy and feature-laden compact sedan, the Kia Forte is for you. It offers an exceptional combination of innovative design, high-quality engineering, and outstanding value. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, rear window defroster. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.